Our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate ChatGPT API with Discord bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to integrate ChatGPT API with Discord bot, then all you gotta do is simply first of all set up the Discord bot. You need to go to Discord developer portal, and once you are here, you need to create a new application. You need to navigate to the bot section and simply create a bot. Once you have simply created a bot, you need to copy its token to a secure location and enable the message content intent under the privileged gateway. After you have done this, you need to generate an invitation or an invite URL using the OAuth 2 tab, selecting the bot scope and granting necessary permissions like send message, read message history, and use the generated URL to invite the bot to your server. So after you have done this, you need to get your OpenAPI key, and once you have gotten your OpenAI API key, you need to write the bot code. After doing this, you can run and test the bot and you're all set. So this is how you can integrate ChatGPT API with Discord bot. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.